So finally we are in the office. It's a Friday, it's August 15, and sobrang traffic. It took me almost an hour. So it's longer than usual, obviously, to get here sa office. And well, in-expect ko na rin naman na it's going to be very traffic today since it's August 15, it's a Friday, plus it's well today. So yeah, anyway, I am just waiting for AJ to get here since we have a reservation sa Texas Roadhouse dito sa Shangri-La for our dinner today. That's the reason why pumunta ako ng maaga ngayon sa office, or nandito kami ngayon sa office ng maaga. Anyway, let me show you yung current traffic situation ngayon. Diba, grabe. Pag-swell today talaga, tapos rush hour pa yung oras, expect na halos walang galaw yung mga sasakyan.
I knew this is an all-Asian season.
Did somebody order a drag queen?
It's Monday. Happy Monday. It's actually 1 in the morning right now, and pupunta tayo sa gym dahil ang goal natin ay maka 4 times a week this week. Since last week, unfortunately, we were only able to go to the gym twice because masyadong busy yung work. I know it's not an excuse, pwede akong mag-workout right after work, pero for some reason, medyo tinamad ako last week kasi medyo busy nga din sa work. Tapos parang wala na akong energy right after work. Tapos nagigising pa ako like late na in the afternoon. So, ayun, this week, I will try my best to complete yung 4 times a week natin. Plus, hopefully, makapag-cardio din tayo this week dahil we haven't been playing badminton for the past 2 weeks. So, yeah, I'm hoping na makompleto natin at least yung 4 times a week na gym natin this week. So, that's well, that's always been the goal since I started working out, but I haven't really been consistent that much. So let's try again to be consistent this week in the coming weeks. Hello, happy Monday. It is the first shift this week and yeah, I'm just preparing for work. Kakatapos ko lang maligo and my next agenda right now is to create my favorite drink, which is matcha. Let's do a quick taste test ng ginawa nating matcha. Usually nahalo-halo ko lang siya kasi as you can see, ito yung milk niya. Tapos, nasa ilalim madalas yung matcha. So, shake lang natin siya. It's like angels singing. Wow, sobrang OA. So, let's try this. Oh, okay. Pero masarap siya. Hindi, pero masarap na siya. Gusto ko talaga nilalagyan siya nung... nakalimutan ko yung tawag doon. It's like a liquid fructose. Yung nilagay ko kanina. Pampatamis siya. It's technically a sugar. I think it's a lot healthier than sugar. If I'm not mistaken. So, ayun. I bought it from the Orange app. And palagi ko na siyang inahalo sa matcha. Second day, hindi ako nakapag-film sa loob dahil sobrang daming tao. So, yeah. We're going home. Probably gonna grab something muna sa Uncle John's and then uwi na after. We are hosting a call tonight. This is a bit last minute, pero itawid natin to. Let's do this. Good afternoon, Mr. Kahel. Yes? Huh? Ano? Gutom ka na naman? You're so cute. You're so fat. You're so cute. You're so puggy. Hello, happy Wednesday. Finally, it's the middle of the week and we are almost there. I just want this week to be done. I just want this week to be over. Dahil I'm so done. No, okay. Pero I just want to rest my mind. Actually, gusto ko lang magpahinga na. So I'm just hoping that weekend comes fast. Anyway, para maiba tayo today, hindi tayo nag-prepare ng matcha, pero we've prepared black coffee. Iwas muna tayo sa gastos dahil masyadong magastos kung bibili pa ng coffee sa labas. Camera na tayo. Good afternoon. It's a Saturday afternoon and we are going to Cubao to meet with some friends. Right now I'm just waiting for my in-drive car service to get here and then yeah, hopefully makapag-vlog tayo ngayon dun, no? Anyway, yeah, that's gonna be it for our update so far today.
Inaaway nga nila ako, di ko raw ginagamit eh.
Kailangan ko lang mabigay ako tsaka hindi ako mag-sorry.
Sorry, kung ginagamit.
Gamit, kasi diba ang limit ng mga tao.
Sorry. Nag-brief ako kasi boring eh.
Sarap yan. Pinag-out ko last time.
Pati na tayo dun ah.
Here?
Tissue.
We have order now.
Wait lang, yung tissue ako dala.
Your time to shine. Nakita mo na?
Both treated daw. Nilagay ko sa vlog. Thank you po, Miss Ping. It's an honor.